Today, we are going to discuss how a pen works. Not one of these, because it's pretty simple. One of these bad boys. Now, clearly you click this, and this comes out. But what about inside? Where's all the magic? So today, we are going to discuss how the doohickey in pens work. Now, first off, I could take the pen apart and show you, but looking at this, it's all real meaningless to you. It's small, I can't just tell you. So I drew some diagrams that will hopefully help in the learning of how the inside of that works. Here's a very crude drawing of a pen, but it'll do. Out here's the inner casing. Actually, let me show you. Okay, this is the inner casing right here. Then there is the spring and cartridge with the tip. Those are pretty simple parts. That's where it gets more complicated. Now right here is this part and the inside of this. Now, they're hard to tell what they actually do, so I drew a larger diagram of those. Now, this part right here is this. Now, as you can see, it is just a circle with these little keys on the outside. You can see right here, the 3 keys. Straight keys with a little ridges. They're hard to see, but there's like little ridges here, like little triangles. Now, as you can see using this, here's the key, circular, and these little ridges. This part has ridges that correspond to it perfectly, plus keys of its own. But this one, unlike that, has 6 keys. Now, this right here is the barrel, more or less, of this thing. Now, as you can see inside, it has little, I guess I call them locks for the keys, where the keys go in, but they're rifled. And as you can see, maybe you can see, it spins when it comes up. So if I was to put this piece in there, they will both spin together. But the blue part only has 3 keys, unlike this, which has 6. And as I push the back part, the white part spins, which spins the blue part. Now as the blue part spins, the keys come out of the track. So this comes out and then goes back in. And sometimes, which is every other time, when the keys come out, it spins and they no longer go back in. See it stays in, stays up, goes back, stays up, goes back. Now as it does that, the blue part pushes into the ink cartridge, which pushes out the pen tip. So when it spins and stays out, due to it coming out of the track and not going back in, it stays pushing up the pen. Then as it spins again, the keys go back into the spaces and it can return. And that is how a pen works. One of these at least. I prefer these, are simpler.